What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Donkey Kong from Mario Kart. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna do his lower portion of his face, and I'm gonna start with a curved line across right there. And on the side, I'm gonna make a turn down and back up at the cheek, and then we're gonna make a turn down to the chin, and I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side here. And a semicircle line for the lower part of his chin. Now for the top part, which is the eye, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line up and out, and a semicircle turn back to the center and across with a curved line. And we're gonna do the same shape on the right side as well. Now inside of the upper portion of the face, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this point right there, and at this point I'm gonna trace the same line on the side right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now in the middle off center, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for the eye, and inside of that I'm gonna draw a circle for his pupil, and on the top corner of the eye I'm gonna draw a small little circle, and we're gonna fill that in with a black color. Now we're gonna copy the whole thing on the right side as well. Now for his nose, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line up and a semicircle turn back down, and I'm gonna make a curved line across at that point, and I'm gonna fill that upper portion. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right nostril as well. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna take this left corner of the mouth and draw a curved line diagonally down and turn it upwards and across with a curved line, and I'm gonna turn it back down and back up on the right corner right there. Now going back to this point on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and across a curved line for the lower portion of his lips, and I'm gonna turn it back up on the right side. In the middle of that, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and I'm gonna draw lines vertically down in the center, and we're gonna copy the same thing for the other portion of the teeth. Now for his ears, I'm gonna take this point on his cheek and gonna draw a curved line up and a semicircle turn back down to the side and turn it sideways to the cheek. And on the right corner of that shape inside, I'm gonna trace the same line right there and a curved line at this corner. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right ear as well, right there. And for the top part of his head, we're gonna take this point on top of his ear and draw a curved line up and turn it slightly to the left at the tip, and I'm gonna do some zigzag line right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the right with the curved line, and we're gonna do some zigzag line on that portion. And at this point I'm gonna turn it to the right side above the ear right there. And at the side of the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line outward from this point and down, and then go back up. For his hand, I'm gonna take this point at the side of the head and draw a curved line right there and turn it out downwards, and a semicircle turn back up to that point. And from that same point, I'm going to draw a curved line up and slightly to the right turn and back down at that corner. And I'm going to repeat the same shape for the other finger. And at this corner, I'm gonna curl it to the side and a semicircle turn back there and a curved line at that corner. And on top of the hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line from that point to that point and a curved line at this corner. And from this point, a curved line to the wrist, and I'm gonna add some zigzag line across the wrist all the way to that point. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across, and then I'm gonna make a turn downwards to his elbow with a curved line and a semicircle turn at the elbow and turn it sideways to the left. And below the palm here, I'm gonna draw the inner line of the arm with a curved line down and towards the elbow with a curved line. And for his shoulder, I'm gonna add a curved line from this point to the side of his head. Now for the other hand, so we're gonna draw from this point a curved line towards the head and slightly upwards. Then I'm gonna draw a few short lines at this corner, and then from this point I'm gonna draw a line down and sideways to the right and turn it up at that corner right there. And I'm gonna repeat the same shape for the other finger, and at this point I'm gonna make a turn right there and then a circular shape at this point and turn it to the left and down. And we're gonna draw another zigzag line across the wrist, the same thing on the left side. And then I'm gonna make a turn down with a curved line to the elbow as well, and a semicircle turn at the elbow back towards the center right there. And for the inner line, we're gonna draw a curved line out towards the elbow. Now below the arm here, I'm gonna draw a curved line. And from this point as well, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line down and make a semicircle turn to the center. And on top I'm gonna extend this line sideways to the side of his face right there. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side as well, and turn it down with the semicircle line and turn it back to the center. At that point, below the chin, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and another one. And on the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. And in the middle, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and on the side, a diagonal line down and another diagonal line down towards the center of the tie, and a curved line across. And below that point, I'm going to draw a curved line out and down to the side. And from both ends, I'm going to draw a diagonal line towards the center of that point. Now below the tie right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and to the left, and below this point I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and I'm gonna do some zigzag line at that point and continue down, and we're gonna connect those 2 points together right there. Now for his legs, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line out and to the left, and from the side I'm gonna draw a curved line down and another curved line outwards and turn it down at the knee, and from that point I'm gonna draw a zigzag line to the right across, and then I'm gonna make a turn at this point up and connect that to that line. And we're gonna do a similar shape for the right legs. Curved line across right there and back up at the knee. Now for his foot, we're gonna do a curved line at this point out and another curved line for the toe, and we're gonna repeat the shape across for the other toe and a bigger one for that finger. And then from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to there and turn it back sideways and a circular shape for the tip, and extend it with a curved line to the ankle. So we're gonna repeat the same shape on the right side as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.